Okay, I upgraded to the latest version of Inkscape, and I think I like it. The same things we have here. The meaning of this, like the goal of this course, is to teach you how to create text or Word SVG files that you can sell on Etsy. Let me tell you, I said text and Word SVG files, so I'm not going to teach you how to create images and stuff, but we are going to create only text and SVG files. I'm repeating myself. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. When you open your file like this, like your document, this is not a complicated thing. Actually, I'm not going to show you how Inkscape works. I'm going to show you how to create text files, and you need to follow my instructions, just like I give it. Okay. Um, if you see, this is the page. This is the page. I don't know how big this page is, but to find out, we'll go to file, the document, go to document properties, and here we see, let's put everything here in inch, and here we see we are at A4. We don't want A4, we want um 8.5 by 11. Okay, and after you have all this, I think it's already changed to 8.5 by 11. We display, okay, don't worry about this. Yeah, 8.5 by 11. That's what we want. When you change it, it automatically changes in there. Okay, yeah, we have it right here. When you want to create a file, sorry, when you want to create an text SVG, we use fonts. You can go to the fonts to download fonts. I have a separate video for that. I'll also post it for you to see. You can go to the fonts to download fonts or any other place, but I use the fonts.com for or you can purchase you can legally purchase fonts from design bundle fontbundles.com, Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, So Fontsy, Mighty Deals, and all the other places. Okay, when you download them, you add them into your computer, like upload them and install them, and you can use them. When you open your document like this, the first thing you're going to do, we changed the document already, the paper. We go to File, you go to Save As, and then you're going to save your file. I will save my files in, let me go in Downloads. Okay, I'll save it here. So you name your file right here. Let's say I'll name it text. Name it whatever you want, and then I'll always save my file as plain. And then you save it. And when you save it, you see the name change right here. Text svg.svg. Okay. Now you go to the text to create a text editor. There's an A here. When you click on it, all your fonts up here will open, and there's a arrow here, and then you click on here, and then you see all the fonts. If you download and install fonts, you will see them in here. All the fonts in your computer that you installed, not that you downloaded, that you installed, download and installed, you will find them here on this side. Okay, and you can scroll down and see them. Okay, today we're going to create a file, our first SVG, our first text SVG. Look how you do it. I've selected this, so I have a cursor. You see my cursor here? I'm going to use this to write. Okay, for instance, right now we are in February. Let's say I write a simple thing like Black History Month. Okay, when I write it like this and I want to change the font, I can go back to here. Sorry, I can go here and change the font like this. You see that? Or choose something else. You see all of them are changing like to the same font. Okay. Let's say I want to change a month. I will select month and change month. You see, I changed it to another file, another font. Let's say I want to change history, and I'll change history to Amarillo. Okay, because I had both selected. To prevent this kind of mess, look what you do. I'll write black separately, and then I'll go and I'll write history separately, and I'll write month separately. You see that? So I can go one by one and change my font. Keep it on A when you want to change your font. Let's say month, I want to put it, let's say, let me check what fonts I have. Franklin Gothic. I'll just choose something. Was that Franklin Demi? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I put this Franklin Demi. I select this. I'll go to another font. Let's say I will put this Amarillo. I'll go here, select it, and I will turn it. Let's see. Let's say let's say this font. Okay. Okay, I have 3 different fonts here. Black. You don't have to do it like that, but I'm only showing you how to pair fonts. Like I have three different fonts here, and I want to make a design black history. Okay, let me tell you something. When you're doing like calligraphy like this, you see how I don't know how it glitch like this. That's Inkscape. That's how Inkscape does things. But it won't stay like this. When you zoom back with minus, you see it disappears, but all won't disappear yet. Let's go in. When you have calligraphy like this, like handwritten, you just turn it into pad. You go to you select it, you go to pad, and you go to object to pad. Please object to pad, okay? Object to pad. You see everything is here, but you're not done yet. You are not done yet. After you turn it to pad, you right click and you ungroup it. You see, you ungrouped it, and then you go back to pad, and then you unite it, union, and then it will be one piece. Please always ungroup and unite your calligraphy or handwritten fonts, because people that buy them, they will use it on their cutting machine, and they don't want to be cut every single letter one by one, like bit by bit. They don't want to do that. Do it like this. Okay, now we turn this into a pad already, a SVG cut file. Now we go to this. When you click on it, you see a small box here. That means it's in text file. We want to put it in SVG file. You select it, you go back to pad. Every time go to pad and object to pad, okay? And after you do object to pad, go to object, ungroup, okay? And then go back to pad, and then you can unite them. Unite or combine, unite. Go to this one. You see the tiny block? It's still in text. You go to pad, object to pad. You go to object, ungroup, and go back to pad, union. Okay. Okay, now we have now these are SVG files. Now these are cuttable. You can cut them with your cutting machine, your Cricut, your Shortcut Salad or Shortcut Salad, your Silhouette. You can cut them now. Okay, the other thing we're going to do, we're going to align them. Like you want to make them all like close to the same size. Yeah, like this. Month, move month here in the corner and make month a little bit bigger. Okay, when you want to align them, you just select everything here. Okay, and you go to object, and align and distribute. And then you are right in here, align and distribute. You see here? And then we're going to align them. Align them under each other with this one, center on vertical axis. You know, align them like this. Yeah. And the space between them, we want evenly spaced between them. We will use this one. You see this one right here. Let's check the name. Distribute vertically with even vertical gaps. With even vertical gaps between them. We use this one right here. Okay, you see they are evenly spaced. This one is a little bit bigger than this one, but we can still use them. Okay, now we have this. Now it's an SVG file. You can go on and change the color here. Black. Let's say here history. We want to put it in yellow. In month in you can leave it in black, or you can turn it green, or you can leave the black. You know, you color it like you want it to be colored. Okay, so it's up to you. History, and I'll put the month red. Month red. And so you have your first SVG file. When you want to zoom out, you just click on minus. Now you have your first SVG file. Okay, this is what we have. You select all, group them, and then you go to file here and save. And when you save, the tiny box disappears. This is your first file. And here we have learned how to write down different fonts. Okay, how to um work with calligraphy, how to align them, like group them and align them and color them. Always turn your text to pad, ungroup them and unite them. Okay, especially for calligraphy. Okay, here we have our first SVG file. Stay tuned for the other one. Thank you for watching.